guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I am super duper excited for all the festive season that's right upon us, and I thought this is the perfect time to show you guys how I'm going to get my hair festive ready. I feel like once your hair feels good, you automatically feel ready for all the festive madness that is supposed to be coming your way. So yes, before I blabber away, let's get started. So this is a regime that I have been following for a good 6 months or so now. I have very sort of damaged, dry, dehydrated hair, and my hair always requires moisture. And something that has helped me along the way when it comes to making my hair smooth and frizz-free is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range. This consists of a 3-step regime, which consists of the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture 72-hour moisture filling shampoo, the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture 72-hour moisture sealing conditioner, and the breakthrough product, which is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Hydra Filling Night Cream. These 3 products, when used together, give me such amazing results because it has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, as we know, is such a staple in my skincare, and when I started using it in my hair care, I felt like I fell in love with this ingredient all over again. The best part about this range is that all 3 products come with hyaluronic acid in it, and why it is so special is because hyaluronic acid really seals in your cuticles and your hair is left smooth, frizz-free and moisturized. What I like doing is jump into the shower and use the shampoo on my scalp, get it nice and lathered up.
This shampoo replumps the hair with 72 hours of hydration, leaving the hair feeling absolutely soft, supple and healthy.
Then going into the conditioner and use it religiously on my mid-lengths and ends.
This conditioner is my absolute love because it detangles the hair, instantly locks in moisture, giving you shiny hair that's full of life.
This is also a great tip. Always rinse your conditioner with cold water because it helps seal your cuticles with all that moisture and goodness. And that's actually pretty much it. This itself gives me such amazing results. You can see how bouncy and beautiful and stunning my hair looks. But what I like doing is in the night before I go to sleep, I like using the night cream, especially on my ends. This is very, very nourishing.
This Hydra Filling Night Cream is my absolute favorite because it gives 4 times the hydration and softness in just one night. This seals the cuticles overnight and doesn't weigh your hair down, and it also has no leftover residue, which is great.
So now that I have moisturized, beautiful, bouncy, silky, smooth hair, I feel like I am absolutely festive ready to take on the day. And I also did a little experiment to show you guys actually how good this range is. Now you can see that this is right after I have freshly styled my hair. Of course, my hair looks bouncy, beautiful and shiny. And this is actually from the next day, where you can still see that I haven't added any new product to the hair or anything of that sort. My hair still looks beautiful, shiny and oh so smooth. And that's not all. This actually says that it gives your hair moisture for 72 hours. So this is me on day 3 with the same hair, and yes, you can see how beautiful my hair looks even 72 hours of using this range of products. I have to tell you, I am in absolute love with the results. For me especially, the night cream is my ride or die. I cannot live without the night cream from this range because even when I'm traveling, it is definitely something I add to my bag. So yes, as you can see, this is me flaunting my beautiful hair, ready for all the festive madness that is about to take on our lives. I will definitely leave a link to this in the description box, so definitely check it out. For me, if there is one product that has really stood out, is, I think you already know, it is the night cream, because I haven't literally gone anywhere without it in the last 6 months. It is always in my bag, and I religiously use it almost every other night to give my hair and my ends especially a boost of hydration. So yes, I guess that is it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any other hair tips for me to follow for this festive season. I feel like I definitely need all the hair tips I can get. So let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.